Hello, KTDY.
Yeah, you have a winner?
You are number 9. What is your name?
Name's Tony.
Tony. The KTDY secret sound. Listen, this is what we're wanting you to identify. Listen to this right here.
Okay.
Tony, for $3,861, what is that sound?
Is it putting a cassette tape into a cassette player and press and play? Hello?
I'm here, Tony. I am here. I'm looking at the judges. That's it! That's
No
it,
way!
Tony! You win! $3,861! It's putting a cassette tape into the cassette door,
That's
shoving
what I'm
it and
talking
press
about,
and
baby.
play. That's old school.
Old school, baby.
Congratulations. What are you going to do with $3,861, Tony?
I can't even think right now.
Congratulations, bud. Big thanks to our friends over at Spa Massage. You're probably going to go get a massage or two, won't you?
More than one, I can tell you that.
Congratulations, Tony. Thanks for playing the KTDY Secret Sound.
So that is awesome.